Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 2 from Level E in VMath. We're doing Lesson 4, so turn to page 17 and get ready to take notes. So this is another hands-on guided discovery one, so modeling subtraction using base 10 pieces. So if we look here, number 1, it says 3 10s and 4 1s, so 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then what they're doing here is they're taking one of the 10 pieces and they're making it into 10 ones. So it goes from 2 10s, right here, we have 2 10s, and then they've made this 10 into 10 ones. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ones. So this is just getting us ready for understanding how we can do this. So same thing here. We have 5 10s and 7 1s, but we're taking one of those 10s, making it into ones. So then we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and then we have 10 1s, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 1s. So it doesn't matter how it looks. It's still the same thing. 5 10s and 7 1s is the same thing as 4 10s and 17 1s. So here's another example. So we look here, we have 45 minus 27. Well, here's 45, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so this is 45. What they did though is they took one of those 10s and made it into 10 ones. This is still 45, 10, 20, 30. This is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. It just looks different. They made that 10s piece into ones pieces because now we can take away 27. So if it looks like this, we're going to take away 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and we're left with 110. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So 110 is 10 and then 8 ones. So we have 18. 45 taking away 27 is 18. If we look here, same thing they did here. 76 take away 39. Here's 76. But then they took one of the 10s and they made it into ones so that you could take away 9 ones with 39. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And then we can see how many we have left. We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So that means that 76 minus 39 is 37. So it says, explain how you know when you need to regroup 10 as 10 ones when you subtract. Well, we need to regroup if there are not enough ones. So in this case, like 76, 6 is in the ones place and 9 is in the ones place here. There aren't enough ones to take away. So we can say there aren't enough ones to subtract the other ones. So basically, when there's not enough ones to subtract the other ones. So like if we write it like this, we have 76 take away 39. There are not enough ones. If we have 6 here, we can't take away 9. There aren't enough. Okay, so right now on your own, you're going to complete page 18. Use the link to the base 10 blocks for help. That's online. Good luck.